Doug Sexton with Sound of Tri-State, Claymont, Delaware, and we're 97 Civic. The doors are pretty much stock with the door speakers, the tweeters. We cut the panels out, put the tweeters in. The back of the car has been completely fiberglass. We molded everything completely together. I mean, it ain't one piece in the back of the car that has a seam or a crack. Everything's completely together. As far as, I mean, that goes. Just a lot of wiring. A lot of wiring, you know, just making sure everything's covered correctly and, you know, hidden. But yeah, that's about it.